Hi, my old friend. Hope you all are doing good and stay healthy. And good evening to all of you again. I am making the second video on a review. You can say this is a review video of second video. Review second video. I analysis the which I passed in chart and review in this video how it was performed that, and you can see I analyze I give the review of 5 to 6 stocks in this video. This may you can call the review stock analysis. I analysis to Aarti Industries at date you can say 2820, price that was 990 that level. This is the bar. This is the formation breakout, and this is the bar where I give the I analysis this stock, and from that level it appreciate and give the bullishness which I told to before, and the price touch at 1229 levels at ECUS 21,820 date. This is a good movement it gives. Even still now, this is not violate this this resistance level. You can say is the these levels of 990 levels is not also broken. 900 this levels is 950 or 960 levels. You can say this is not a tail violet, which from this is breakout happened. So Aarti Industries gives a good return from 990 levels to 1229 levels with a very short span of time. There is also a Monday morning uh, coffee with technical analysis, which I give which I analysis at Monday morning. This is the Aarti Industries. Next stock, Aditya Birla Fashion Analysis, which I analysis at 2720. Price was at around 126 levels at that time. I told to all of you the 104 to 110 levels is the stop loss, and you can go for a short term and long term. I give the two times analysis in this video, where I analysis this area when price was at 126 levels. It's appreciate first 150 levels, 150 to 53 levels is that this levels was one first it's touched is this that was that time I give the short term for short term price is most probably August second week or third week August. It's make the short term target, make the short term all target. After then I give the short and longer term target, and it's also again after that it's fall and take this support at in this trend line, and again from these levels it's high at 231020, it's high 178.90 levels. So two times it's already it's his the target, and the next target will be 185 to 200 levels. If it hold this 130, 125 or 127 levels, is if it holds. So Aditya Birla Fashion also make the target. The next stock is Ajanta Pharma analysis. Ajanta Pharma. This stock is not appreciate too much. Is breakout from these levels. I analysis at 2820. Then the price was 1629. Next high 1720 in these levels at 10820. It's make the short term target, meet the short term target, but not hold this. It's then gradually fallen down. The next stock is Apollo Hospital. Next, this is also a good give if the good appreciate. Apollo Hospital, I give analysis in this area at 2920. Price was at that time 1828. Is break the resistance levels and hold that resistance levels, and you see these are price appreciated in a very short term. 12 10 20 is meet 2333 levels. Price appreciated very good levels. I give all the description. I give all the previous videos link of all the stocks in my description box. These all you can watch, and those video and correlate it in this video. Then you can understand my also how it work, and where from its work and how it is work. If any query or any comments you give me or give, then you can comment in my comment box. The next stock is Cadila Healthcare. I analysis at 1970-20 date, price was 374 levels. After then 9 10 20, its high was high is 447 levels. So it's also, you can see this is the analysis date and analysis price, and from that is the price appreciate. First appreciate these levels and these levels. Now it's appreciated 447 achieved. 9 10 20 date is achieved that 447 levels. Still price is holding the upper at the fire bottom formation. Its ability to again rise from here to also. Kerala Healthcare next stock is HDFC Bank, which I analysis at a 19720 date. Price was at that moment that date 11 100.04. This is the area, and after that the price appreciated here and then fall again, then price again rise and make a high at 1250 levels. Now bank is doing good, and maybe bank is in November December month, they also appreciate very well at and come good result, and it is a price will appreciate more and more again. So HDFC Bank also give the good return from 1100 to 1250 levels. The next stock is Mahindra and Mahindra. This is the breakout of the downfall trend line, and I give the analysis that 2920 price are 659.40 levels, but adjust from that levels price was not too much appreciate. You can see not appreciate and not depreciate from that very much. It's also it's till now it's holding my support region also. So one stock not appreciate too much, and some other two stocks not appreciate too much, and some other stocks are appreciate too much. So Aarti Industries in short span of time is gives good return. Aditya Birla Fashion also give the good return. Ajanta Pharma not giving the best of return which I anticipate. It gives small return. Apollo Hospital give the very good return, very short span of time. Carilion Healthcare also give the good return. HDFC Bank also give return, not so much. And Mahindra and Mahindra not giving the any good, not a price appreciate from my analysis date. So I think you all understand my analysis, and hopefully you all benefited from my analysis too. All I analysis for educational purpose. Hope you all benefited. If anyone wants to trade on my analysis, they can analysis first within yourself with a chart, or you can consult with your financial advisor before taking any position. And thanking you to all of you again for watching my videos. Hope you all benefited from my videos too. And this is the review video of my past analysis. I review all of the stocks here, and thanking you to all of you for watching my videos again.